It's time to tie-dye again, and today I'm trying something new. I should say I'm trying to tie-dye on something new. I am going to tie-dye a white jean jacket for my daughter, Lily. She's wanted a new jean jacket, and we thought, why not? Try it. And I'm going to be using this awesome mega tub of tie-dye colors where everything I need comes inside. All right, are you ready? Let's go. For our first step, I soaked my jean jacket in water to get it nice and wet. And since I've never tie-dyed jean before, I'm gonna keep my design simple by using my rubber bands to just create little bunches. All right, I filled up my dye bottles to the fill line and shook them over a trash can. Now it's time to add the color to my jean jacket. I'm going to just add color to each one of these little bubbles that I tied up. All right, I think I've got enough color on here and I'm excited to see how it turns out. I'm gonna use a paper towel to sop up any of my excess dye, and then I am going to wrap this up and let it sit for 6 to 8 hours. Keep in mind, the longer you let it sit, the richer your colors will be. And after that point, I'm going to run it under cold water until the water runs clean. And I will see you back here tomorrow to show you how my daughter's jean jacket turned out. Our tie-dye jean jacket is dry. Now for our last touch, I'm gonna spray on some fabric glitter, which was also included in my kit. All right, we've got our fall sparkly tie-dye jean jacket ready to go. My daughter absolutely loves it. She said it reminds her of a sunflower. Check out how cute she looks in it. All right, you can find out about this awesome one-step tie-dye kit that came with everything we needed over on Tulip's website, plus get other inspiration and project tutorials from makers like me. And as always, follow me over at craftboxgirls.com. I have tons of tie-dye projects to get you inspired year-round. All right, I think that's it. Happy fall, y'all.